Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting the best source file, PNG with a clear background or an SVG for crisp edges. Open your Canva canvas at the exact size you need, then upload the file through Uploads and let it finish processing. Once uploaded, drag the logo onto the canvas and position it roughly where it should sit. You're beginning the visual work now, not finalizing it, so focus on alignment and scale first. Once the logo sits in place, select it and open Edit Image or Effects. Use Background Remover if available to strip unwanted pixels automatically. If Background Remover is not perfect, adjust the transparency slider for composite blending, then switch to Erase and restore brushes to refine edges. Zoom into 200% and work slowly to remove halos or stray pixels. Make sure the logo blends cleanly with your design's colors, and test on a dark and light background to confirm true transparency. To finish, export using PNG and tick the transparent background option so the canvas background is removed at export. If you see jagged edges or a white halo, increase export size to 2 or 3 times the intended resolution, or use an SVG export if possible for vector clarity. If transparency fails, re-upload the original source and repeat the Remove Refine steps. One key troubleshooting tip: clear browser cache or use an incognito window to ensure Canva isn't showing a cached preview, then re-export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.